Usually we have a product, so we think about this is my product, this is what it does, so let me go sell this. That is the product selling. In a value selling, you ask, what is that my customer wants to achieve? What is that my customer wants to achieve? That is a customer-centric question. You understand from the customer's point of view, you're not thinking from your product point of view. Because you have your product, you have your features, you have benefits, you have advantages. In typical sales, you'll say, this is the feature, this is what it does, and this is how it's going to solve your problem. Okay, here it is, take it. No. But you got to understand from the customer's point of view. So that shift is like a product-centric conversation. We talk about features and technicalities of the product, specifications, comparisons, price points. Those are the things you talk in product selling. But in value selling, you talk about customers' goals. What is that you want to achieve? Customers' risk. You talk about consequences. The most important thing here is you talk about consequences. If you use this, this is the consequences. If you use a configuration like this, this is the consequences. If you miss out on these specs, this is the consequences. This is the consequences of what you're using currently. This is the result it produces. But if you change that and if you use this, this is the outcome. You talk about consequences, you talk about customers' profitability, impact, outcome, and customers' commitment to their customers. This is very important in value selling. You don't just think about your customers, you also think about whom are they serving. Because all these customers are buying products from you to serve their customers, yes or no? So those customers' requirement is also very critical to the decision that they make in buying your products. So you think from that angle as well. So they don't buy products, they buy outcome. Just like the old saying, nobody buys the drill, they buy holes. Ultimately, what are you selling? You're selling the holes. So you got to transfer features into outcome, customer gains, and consequences. This is how you have a conversation around it in value selling.